Cyprian of Carthage, de Ecclesiae Catholicae Unitate, Episode 13. If you haven't been watching this series, you need to go back and watch Episode 12 so that you can get some context for what Cyprian says here. Descendit pluvia, venerunt flumina, flaverunt venti, et impegerunt in domum illam, et non cecedit, fundata enim fuit super petram. Cyprian is here quoting from Matthew, chapter 7, verses 24 through 29. And they go like this. Pluvia descendit, the rain came down, the rain descended. The floods, flumina, they came, venerunt. The winds blew, flaverunt venti, and impegerunt, or impegerunt, and they beat against that house, and it did not fall, it fell not, non cecedit. Why? Enim, for, fundata fuit, it was founded upon the rock, super petram. We have here a number of perfect verbs, descendit, venerunt, flaverunt, impegerunt, cecedit, and fundata fuit. So pluvia is the subject here in the feminine singular nominative. Then we have flumina in the neuter plural nominative with venerunt, which is from venio, venire, fourth conjugation. Descendit is third conjugation, descendo, descendere. Then we have venti, masculine plural nominative, and the verb is flaverunt, which is from flow, flare, first conjugation, to blow against. And then venti is also the subject of impegerunt, which is from impingo, to hit upon or to touch upon. This is a third conjugation verb, impingo, impingere, like so, perhaps you can see that. And this is a third plural perfect, in domum illam. This is an accusative, a feminine singular accusative, as the object of the preposition in. And the house fell not, et non cecedit. This, of course, third conjugation, cado, cadere. This is pretty simple syntax, pretty simple context. And finally we have fundata enim fuit. It did not fall, for enim. The house, that's why fundata is feminine, because domum is feminine. It refers to that. For the house was founded, fundata fuit, upon a rock, super petram. Feminine singular and accusative.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.